one of my goals for the year of 2022 is to improve my presentation skills, and I want to document all my travels in form of a long form YouTube videos so that I get to tell my stories as well as I get to practice my presentation skills. So this video is going to be the first of many videos, and today I'll be doing winter car camping. Don't know where, I have to figure out that part. So let's get started. Right now I'm in the Mount Baker area in Washington, and to find the camp spot, my plan is to just drive around on the national forest roads and find a camp spot where my car does not get stuck because my wheel clearance is not so good. Searching for about 2 hours, I found this nice little camping spot for tonight. I've got about 1 hour of daylight left, so I'll be spending the rest of the time cooking some nice dinner for myself. It's getting cold up here, so before making the dinner, thought of starting the fire first. Now it's time for dinner. Well, that is too slow, so okay. All right. Are you single and looking for someone? This could be you. The dinner is wrapped up. Now it's time to convert my car into a bedroom. Damn. Anyway, the bed for tonight is ready. I'm gonna go back to the campfire and read some books. It's a book called Designing Data Intensive Applications. Well, why? Because I'm a software engineer and my job pays me to do stuff like this. Otherwise, I would not have weekends like the one I'm having right now. So, got to get my technical expertise to the next level. So, designing data intensive applications. Good morning. Had very quiet, very comfortable sleep last night. I think I slept for about 9 hours. Pretty good. It's time for breakfast. The night was quite productive one. I read the book and started editing this very video on my phone. Except for today morning's clips, I managed to get everything else done before I slept.